Okay, so I'm Aisha, we have Suzanne and Lynn. We're from Group 21. And our first experiment for this week is regarding the shell and tube heat exchanger. So for this experiment, what we have to collect is the data for the inlet outlet of the hot and cold temperature, the flow rate. So how we do this is first we have to do the general startup procedure. That's by switching it on, checking everything is okay. This is the main switch. You put it on. Ensure that pump 1 and pump 2 are both switched on by pressing these two green buttons. Make sure, yeah? Okay. And then next we have to go to the valves. We have the hot valve over here that controls the flow rate of the hot water. And this is for the valve for the cold water. So what happens here for experiment 14A, we have to set the hot water constant at 20. So if you come here, there is some bar there. You have to ensure that it is at 20. And for the cold water, you will keep changing according to the tries. So the first try, you have to set it at a certain value, then you change it and so on. And you do that by rotating this valve. And also you read the readings from there. Okay, now we'll go back. So once we've determined the flow rate, we check it here. So this states, number 1 here states that it's for hot water. So it shows that it's at 20 degrees. Degrees, is it? Yeah. And for 2 is for cold water, and this shows that it's at 10 degrees. Correction. So this reading is liter per minute. So anyway, that is how you know regarding the temperature for the hot and cold. And then next, you read temperature indicator here. So number 1 indicates hot water inlet. Number 2 is cold water inlet. 3 hot water outlet, and 4 cold water outlet. So hot, cold, hot, cold. And then, okay, you also have to read the pressure indicator. So number 1 indicates for, yeah, I don't know,
Hot water.
Hot water, and 2 is for cold water. Again. So repeat all of this by rotating the cold water valve mentioned just now.
Experiment 14B is the effect of hot water flow rate on heat transfer coefficient at constant cold water flow rate. So you have to make sure the main switch is on and pump 1 and pump 2 is on, as what we have explained in the previous video. But the only difference now is we are going to change the cold water flow rate. We're going to keep the cold water flow rate at constant, which means that at first you have to set this reading at 20 liter per minute. And you have to change the hot water flow rate according to your trial. So first we set it at 20 liter per minute, and the first reading starts from 4 liter per minute for hot water flow rate. Once you have set it to 4 liter per minute, get back here to get the reading. So the first one is when you switch it on for the temperature indicator. The hot water inlet temperature is when you set it at 1, you record it. And when you set it at 2, it's the cold water inlet temperature. As you move on, 3 determines the hot water outlet temperature, and 4 determines the cold water outlet temperature. And this is the difference in pressure indicator. You set it as 1 and 2. And you know, when you set the hot water flow rate, you have to make sure that it's pointing at 2 for the flow rate indicator, which shows that the flow rate is changing.
For the experiment, we need to change the temperature controller, which we adjust this button. Like we want to change to 70, then we just press. And make sure that the flow rate of hot and cold inlet is constant. So the other procedure, we just follow the previous experiment. So we need to measure the hot and cold inlet temperature and hot and cold outlet temperature value, different temperature value. As the reading is fluctuate, we need to wait until the red and green value become same. Thank you.